I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jack up Audi S3. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and chock the rear wheels before lifting. Inspect the jack and stands for damage, and confirm weight ratings match the vehicle. Keep the engine off and transmission in park, and remove loose tools from under the car. Work slowly and deliberately, and never crawl under the vehicle until stability is verified. Use the specified lift points to avoid bending body panels or damaging suspension components. Clean the area so the jack sits flush against the metal and not on rust or debris. Lift slowly and watch for any shift in the chassis alignment, then lower onto jack stands rated for the vehicle weight. Give the car a gentle rock to confirm the stands are secure before removing the jack completely. After raising the car, position at least 2 jack stands on solid supporting points rated for the load. Lower the vehicle onto the stands gently, ensuring both stands carry the weight evenly and the vehicle sits level. Use an additional backup support, like a second jack or wheel blocks when possible. Keep a clear escape path and avoid working under the car if you detect any wobble or instability at any time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.